I'm not saying demos are bad, but we get the sale, talk ourselves out of the sale in a demo. You know, I have that famous story of Alex, the solutions engineer that went all the way to Alaska with me and did his demo that went an hour and a half for the new R246X of the ImageWrite software, and they were just like tired by the end of hearing it, and they're like, we have to table all this till our CIO looks at it. The next stop was, I don't want to say the name of the company, sounds like Safeco Insurance in Seattle, because we had flown from Alaska to Seattle. I'm like, Alex, I'll buy you Foo Fighter tickets. There's going to be a pen, okay? I'll hand you the pen if I need you to demo. Same question got asked because we were trying to upgrade them on the new version of the software. And their team goes, how does the new version of the software work? And I went, it works great. Does it make sense to get you guys on board so we can get it in there? And they're like, yeah, absolutely. Boom, it was easy, right? Some of the times, these demos just cause them to go, I now have 5,000 other questions, right? Like some of the times they don't need to know how the sausage is made. But if you're being graded, if you're being compensated and graded on demos, you have to probably have a conversation with your leadership and go, hey, I want to make sure that I'm as skillfully and as quickly as possible getting these deals down. And the last thing I want to do is make our clients feel like they're drinking from a fire hose in terms of demos. What are some of your thoughts? You're going to go right to our stuff we learned at the beginning of this, ask them for a solution, and they might go, hey, you bring up a good point there. When we said you're getting scored on demos, here's what we really meant, right? And now they'll adjust. And if they don't, they don't. You'll still be able to sell despite. You'll be great. Hey, it's Matt Easton. If you like this video, you're going to love this. I'm going to teach you how to close right here, right now. I'm going to cover all the costs for you. We're going to get you the closing mini masterclass. I pick up all the costs. It's free to you. I'll cover the $299. Click the link in my bio. You're going to get access to the class. It's going to show you how to close anyone, anytime, without being pushy or manipulative. Your life is about to change. We're about to become best friends. Click the link in my bio. I'll cover the cost for you to learn how to close.